With the enormous growth of electronic devices comes the need to provide on-demand communications in order to establish better monitoring and control. The growing number and remote placement of many of these devices is making it more important to provide aggregated updates to locations around the world. During the past several years, iDigi has met this need for device connectivity by creating drop-in networking solutions that establish two-way mesh communications for these sensors, controllers, actuators, meters, and other devices. Once these devices are wirelessly enabled, centrally located gateways are able to receive information from multiple nodes. These gateways connect your remote networks back to the internet through an IP connection. Using iDigi cloud-based services, machine-to-machine network data offers uniform connectivity to different types of networks, provides centralized management of all network nodes, and supports web services protocols for application integration. iDigi integrates a variety of tools including authentication, account management, configuration, software updates, group updates, gateway framework, storage, and web services. All of this functionality is available through a secure web portal that allows access to device configuration and network data. Security measures including AES encryption and SSL certificates ensure data privacy and integrity. Now let's take a look at one example of how iDigi services are being used today. Storage tanks contain all kinds of assets including food, chemicals, water, waste, and fuel. Monitoring the levels of these tanks can be incredibly time-consuming as a manual process, but when each tank is monitored automatically with a wireless sensor, it becomes much easier to have a real-time snapshot of tank levels. With each tank in a given location providing regular tank level readings over a wireless personal area network back to a gateway, the data from multiple tanks is then collected. That gateway then connects back to an internet connection, either through a wired Ethernet connection, a cellular data connection, or even over a satellite connection. The gateway is configured so that data from each device is sent to iDigi, which is hosted on a reliable cloud computing platform. iDigi serves as a communication junction that allows web programmers to make common web service calls for data and interact with gateways that may be connected through a variety of IP connection types. Service personnel are then able to log into a custom web application that shows tank level information in a simple-to-read format. You can even build custom smartphone applications or view data on a mobile browser. Because the data is hosted in the cloud, you don't need to worry about additional back-end infrastructure as your operation grows. iDigi also allows you to make firmware updates or setting changes from anywhere you have an internet connection. iDigi solves the trouble of managing, storing, and configuring data from different devices, allowing you to focus on your core competencies. Drop-in networking devices and iDigi services can be customized for a variety of applications, including smart energy, fleet management, building automation, and medical device networking, just to name a few. iDigi has decades of experience with wired and wireless M2M networking solutions. Contact us to find out more.